Today, we are proud to present you Renault Kiger show car. Renault Kiger show car anticipates a brand new SUV to be launched in India first and worldwide later. After the successful launches of Duster, Kwid, and more recently Triber, you will discover our new breakthrough product, a new game changer in the SUV world that will perfectly fit in our Renault range in India. Please welcome Kiger show car.
Renault Kiger show car is the result of a great cooperation between our design studios in Paris, Chennai, and Mumbai. Joining creativity of French and Indian designers was the best way to meet the needs of our Indian customers while applying the Renault DNA. And as with our latest vehicle, the Renault Triber, we demonstrate once again our capacity to innovate by proposing a new body type. Renault Kiger show car's striking design is very close to our upcoming B SUV. Kiger's look is a freshly styled SUV expressing a double personality, 80% urban modernity and 20% outdoor ability.
I would like to thank all the design teams in India and France for this outstanding, modern and futuristic design. More than 650,000 Indian customers already enjoy driving Renault. With Renault Kiger, we want to offer a sub-4 meter SUV different from what you see on the roads today. It will help us reach as soon as possible 1 million customers in India.
Renault Kiger show car reflects both energy and fun. The sharp upper part is set against a muscular lower part, and with its sloping rear window, a roof-integrated spoiler flag drop, and its tapered mirrors, designed like airplane wings, Kiger displays a very aerial look. Renault Kiger's energy is reflected in sporty attributes like the double central exhaust system, the double extractor, and the hexagonal structure. And of course, like any true SUV, Kiger has a touch of outdoor style. Let's mention its 19-inch wheels with heavily grooved tires, its roof rails, front and rear skid plates, and its high ground clearance. Kiger showcases our Renault family lighting at the front and at the back. The impressive front end displays 2 levels of full LED headlights and a green indicator light. And at the back, the rear LED lighting signature makes the car recognizable with a double C-shaped lights. Offering colorful cars is very important to us to bring joy on the road. And my color material team is very proud of this new color, specifically developed in India for Kiger. It's called Aurora Borealis. The Kiger show car body color shows mysteriously changing blue and purple hues, depending on the angle and the light. It has been designed to best express the idea of dominance and the inner strength of the car.
Renault Kiger is a smart SUV built on the Magical Alliance modular platform that already laid the foundation for the success of Triber. In terms of power, Renault Kiger will come with an extension of the existing powertrain offer, completed with a new and brilliant turbo petrol engine. By presenting you this superb show car, Renault India, Lorenz, Venkatram and myself are happy to put you in suspense to discover our future all-new car. Let me just tease you a little bit more. On top of the exterior design, you will be surprised by its smart and super-sized interior. Kwid, Duster, Triber, and now Kiger, you can count on Renault.